Hello and welcome to Geography Pod. Today we're going to learn about crystals, its uses, and its formation. And friends, this will be the end result of the experiment. And the experiment is also super informative and should only be performed under the supervision of an adult. And put the tree in a safe place where it won't be touched at the end of the experiment. And this is a close-up video to show how the crystals look like. And friends, this is how you're supposed to color a tree. First, you get a bit of thick paper and then join together, start coloring, and when you're coloring, you have to leave minimum white spots, use bright colors, and most importantly, have fun! Right now, we are pouring crystal-forming liquid on our colored trees. The growing solution for crystals contains bluing, which is a suspension of microscopic particles of a blue powder. These particles give the unit cell something to attach to so the crystals can grow. In order to speed up the evaporation process, the solution also contains ammonia, which lets crystals grow in a matter of hours. Since the tips of the branches on the tree are the most exposed to the air, they experience the quickest evaporation, and so the crystals will begin forming on the branch tips. So friends, as you know, crystals are solid structures formed when atoms or molecules line up in a regular three-dimensional pattern. In nature, crystals can form as liquid rock called magma. Slowly cooling, many valuable crystals such as diamonds, rubies, and emeralds form this way. Another way crystals form is when water evaporates from a mixture, such as this experiment. And now we have poured all of the liquid onto the trees. Now we just have to wait 30 minutes for the first crystals to start growing. Okay, now it's 30 minutes later. Now, as you can see, there are tiny little crystals starting to form on the branches. I'm going to show you a close-up picture. Okay, so this is the close-up picture. Now we just have to wait 6 to 8 hours or over the night for the crystal tree to fully bloom. Okay guys, so this is 6 to 8 hours later, and now you can see the two trees look very beautiful. Well, most of them. One of the trees looks very beautiful, while the other one is just white. Why, you ask? Well, it's because I left it out after I colored it, and the ink just dried out, and there's no more color to fill the crystals. And these are some other pictures of the trees. Uses of crystals. Apart from their glittering beauty for necklaces and jewelry, some crystals have a natural ability to generate an electric field which makes them useful in radio and video equipment. When an electric current is sent through quartz crystals, they vibrate at a very precise frequency, making them really useful in watches and other electronics. To keep accurate time, silicon crystals are used in making the chips that power our computers and photovoltaic cells in solar technology. That's all for today. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe. And I'm gonna go drink my mango.